I was helping the foreman do everything. It was me and him.
Chip and glue, moving block,
Getting bricks, bring it to guys who were laying.
Loading wheelbarrows, shoveling.
tamping, driving to get materials, lifting heavy things in and out of trailers.
Raking, carrying.
Doing more hands-on work. I gained expertise to move up gradually to become a foreman leading one specific crew, and then from there on went to start leading multiple crews.
Now I'm a job site manager, so I'm in charge of kind of overseeing job sites, making sure that the crews have the materials, the proper information, measurements, all that sort of stuff, talking to sales reps to make sure that they can provide us products, as well as communicating with customers and doing all that sort of behind the scenes stuff.
I oversee our employees for my group there, and I just make sure they learn as much as possible.
What do I do now? I own my own interlock company. We have a budget of like $1 million. We have 4 or 5 full-time employees, and then a bunch of summer laborers, 3-4 crews depending on the time of year. Yeah, and I just manage everything: payroll, budgeting, sales, operations on site, scheduling, hiring, firing, everything that is involved with running a small business and a landscaping company.